So all my clients always ask me what is my favourite kitchen hob, and that has to be the induction hob. I love this product so much, and there's a few reasons for that. The first one is it's so easy to keep clean. Unlike a gas hob where you've got to take all the cast iron rails off and clean it, stick them in the kitchen sink and clean them. This is such an easy wipe down product, and that's what I love about it. Also, because it's also touch control, nice and easy to use, on and off, whichever one you want. You can get certain flexi zones as well, which I can talk to you about in another video, but once again, everything's just touch-tronic and really easy to use. Also, one of the major points to this is if it's on full blast, you can put your hand on it and it doesn't burn, it doesn't actually get hot to the hand. It only reacts to certain pans. So it won't get hot until the pan's been actually on the induction hob, which I think is really, really clever. And if you take it off, the only heat that's actually on the induction hob itself is the residue heat from the pan itself. So that's one of the reasons I love it. This particular one I love loads because it's got a built-in extractor fan, which is just amazing. So the filters all go underneath. So a little bit of a downfall to that is that it does take a tiny bit of extra storage space below, but the fact that I haven't got a big eyesore of an extractor fan in front here, something to bang my head on, or if I'm cooking, I've got family and guests around, I can actually talk to them whilst I'm cooking, when that happens, obviously. But like I say, it's a really important thing to know that you can get an induction hob with a built-in extractor fan, and I love this product so much. So that answers, hopefully that answers your question in terms of this, what is my favourite hob? It's definitely an induction hob, and it's definitely an induction hob with a built-in extractor fan. So I hope that answers your question, and I've created loads of blogs, videos and articles all designed to help you with your home improvement project. So go check them out, and I'll catch you next time.